This
Hi,
is Capella.
welcome to my house.
Capella.
Welcome to my house.
Okay, you enter. You enter. And then when you walk in, this is your laundry room. Laundry. Laundry. Closet. Then, can I show the closet, please? Patingin mo yung closet. There you go. This is the garage. Can't open it. Oops. And then this is the mini bar. The first bedroom. It's the first floor. Huge. Closet. Bathroom. A full size bathroom. This leads to the backs. And then you get up. It's upstairs, the second floor. Second floor. This is your living room. There you go. Kitchen. Pantry. A full-size bath. Another room. Third floor. Is your master bedroom. This is your master bedroom. There. Or your closet space. Your towels. Your office. And this is the rooftop.